Right, so I came across this pretty wild iPad 10 report, and so let's delve into it and discuss why I mostly disagree with it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. So iDrop News and the leaker Angel Alexandria, I believe, gave us this report on the iPad 10. And well, this sounds like the dream budget iPad, and for that reason, this won't be coming out. I mean, here are the upgrades they mentioned. So we have a completely new iPad Pro-like design, we have a 10.5-inch laminated display, Touch ID on the sides, a better chip, better speakers, USB Type-C, fun colors. This all sounds very nice, but this also sounds like the iPad Air we already have. And that's the main issue with all of this. Apple won't be giving us a major overhaul to the budget iPads when they have the iPad Air in the range. I mean, seriously, if the budget iPads gets all these upgrades, the Air would be instantly cannibalized, since for the hefty price of $599 you weren't getting a lot more than the budget iPads offered at $329. And so yes, the redesign for the budget iPads makes no sense till we see a drastic change for the iPad Air. That could possibly be an OLED display, 120Hz, maybe dual cameras, something that gives it the upper hand and justifies the premium over the budget iPad. But as it stands, we know the iPad Air 5 next year is going to be a pretty minor update. It's going to get the A15 chip, center stage, and also 5G, but that's about it, and that's not enough to justify the premium over this dream budget iPad. And so as much as I want to see a redesign to the budget iPads, it currently makes no sense to give it a drastic overhaul. Honestly, if we do see a redesign, it's going to be similar to the rumors we had last year, so a 10.5-inch iPad Air / iPad Pro design for the iPad 10. And that, of course, would give you a thinner and lighter design, and also a larger display that's laminated. But guys, do not expect Apple to give us a major iPad Pro-like redesign for the budget iPads anytime soon. And on a separate note, I know some of you guys might say the iPad 9 is a fantastic cheap tablet, and so why should Apple give us an iPad 10 in 2022? Well, do remember the budget iPad is being updated on a yearly basis. I'm assuming it's because it's the most popular iPad, and so Apple just wants consumers to have the latest and greatest budget iPads when they do plan to buy one. And also do remember that by Apple releasing the iPad 10, the iPad 9 is going to be even cheaper, so that pretty amazing tablet is going to be even better value. And in case you still don't believe me, the ever credible Mark Gurman's also told us we should see an update to the budget iPad. But guys, tell me your thoughts in the comments below. Do you see Apple giving us a major redesign for the iPad 10? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out the video in the card above on details regarding the iPad Pro M2, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.